What can I get you?
Can I get a steak, egg, and cheese bagel minus the folded egg?
What was the slogan?
Yum yum, get you some.
I can't give you anything but love, baby. That's the only thing I've plenty of, baby. Dream a while, scheme a while, we're sure to find happiness. And I guess all those things you've always pined for. Gee, I'd like to see you looking swell, baby. Diamond bracelets Woolworth doesn't sell, baby. Till that lucky day, you know darn well, baby, I can't give you anything but love.
Liters of fucking space for blade candles separated. One fucking spot here. Jammed them all the fucking way, and it just made one fucking little section in.
Yeah.
That's called laziness.
Dun dun dun.
Ah!